rows are called as observations and columns are called as a variable. If you see the example of SAS dataset in here we have 4 variables and 6 observations. The 4 variables are ID, name, HT, weight, present vertically, and 6 observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 present as horizontally. So in SAS we have 2 types of variables. One is character variables and one is numeric variables. The name here is a character variable and remaining ID, HT and weight are a numeric variable. In a SAS, character missing variable represented by a spaces, and in a numeric variable SAS represent dot as a missing value. So building blocks of SAS program. SAS program constructed from 2 building blocks. One is a data step and one is a proc step. A typical SAS program is creating a dataset by using a dataset statement and then it passed to a proc statement to do the analysis. Basic components of SAS continued. In a data step, it is a statement that can read the data, create and modify the existing data. And whereas in a procedure, it is also a statement, but it performs some statistical analysis method and create and print the reports. If you see the example in here, there is 2 components. One is data component and one is proc component. In data component, we are creating one data set using 2 variables, and in a proc component, it printing the created data set called a distance. So you can use data step or proc step based on your requirement. If you see the existing code, data step is look like this. This is a basic data step. Here I'm creating one dataset called class using one of the dataset present in SAS help library. So when I executed this program, so I will see the information related to my executed program and a dataset will be created in work library. So this is a typical SAS dataset look like. Here so it is a variables and those are observations. And whereas in a proc statement we can output this dataset into output window. So means we are printing this dataset by using procedure. Coming to the presentation. Difference between data step and proc step. Data step begins with a data statement. In a proc step begin with a proc statement. It read and modify the data, and in proc step we can perform some specific analysis. And in a data step we can create a data set, and in a proc step we can produce a result. And this difference is not meant to imply a proc never create a SAS data set, but some do. And some of the statement in a data set can create